bringing a bit of sunshine in your day so far. For those of you who might be new, I am Sarah Grace, and today I am doing a little pack and prep with me video. My husband and I are headed to the 30A area. We are staying in Rosemary Beach, and we're going to be puttering about Rosemary and Alice, and Seaside is next week for our little summer vacay. And we're leaving really early tomorrow at like 5 a.m. and so we're trying to do a good job tonight of like packing and prepping and getting everything ready for us to leave. We're driving because we are Central Florida residents. We live in Orlando, so it's only like a 5.5 hour drive. But like I said, we're getting up bright and early tomorrow so we can spend the afternoon at the beach, and I'll be vlogging that entire trip, so you'll want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of that as well. I've already tried to start gathering pieces as I collected them or got them that I knew I wanted to take on this beach trip. I've already started to kind of like plan those out a little bit, and then I found some gaps of things I know that I need, some like toiletry items and some like sandals, things like that. So Wesley and I are about to do a Target run to grab some last minute items, and then we'll get to packing. I can go ahead and show you guys what I have planned and laid out so far. I'm using my clothing rack to help me plan and prep my outfits. I've got 2 swimsuits laid out here. I'm either gonna pull one from my drawer or maybe grab one at Target. Got this little outfit, this dress, my overalls, and this cute tee. I've got an outfit down there, a little matching set, and my jeans, and I've got a bag that I'm gonna try and work with. And then I got the cutest little shacket from Free People to Wear as a cover up that I'll show you guys once I start packing. But yeah, I've tried to get a good foundation going so I know what gaps I'm trying to fill. I also have my Seaside stuff pulled out. I went to Seaside for my bachelorette trip, and so I obviously went all out on my merch, so I'm excited to get to put this to use again. So we're going to Target now. I kind of know what I'm looking for, and Wesley needs to grab some toiletry items, which I need to grab a few of those as well. We might grab some snacks for the road, but let's head that way. These are the shoes I literally came in looking for. They only have 1 pair left, and it is a 7.5. Grab some snacks for the car for the road and beach game.
So excited about my beach game.
Oh, hi Luna, are you gonna help me with the haul? I was gonna share what we got from Target. So I grabbed this beach bag. I thought it was such a good size, and this would be such a good way to pack beach snacks and books and all the things we need for our day at the beach in one central spot. No, please don't chew on that, baby. So we were in desperate need of some new toiletries. We have some face wash, we have some travel size products, we got some sunscreen. I am obsessed with this stuff and I ran out, but I think I'm gonna want this when I'm on the beach and my skin gets a little bit drier. Aquaphor to keep our lips from getting super chapped on the beach. Got some hair ties. I ended up getting these shoes. These are kind of what I went in for, so I was so glad they had them. These are the last pair in my size, and they were half off, so we love to see that. I also grabbed these little necklaces to go with one of the tops. I'll show y'all in just a second. Then Wesley got his beach game. Luna, I'm so sorry you're not coming with us. And then we grabbed a couple of car snacks, and we have other fruit here that we'll pack as well. It is already getting dark. We love that. But I'm laying out my jewelry right now. I have these cute little beachy necklaces that I love. I have little waves. I don't even know if you can see it that well. And a little sunshine that I'm taking, and I've got some fun statement earrings. I've got a simple gold piece, my watch. I've got these little, they go with the necklace too, the little waves and sunshine. Got some gold hoops plus the ones I'm wearing right now, some rings. I have a bracelet along with the other 2 that are on my arm, and I'm about to pack them up right now in my little Stony Clover bag. And how could I forget my little necklaces? Going to pack those too. So I'm planning on doing a little TikTok of like my suitcase being packed. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm putting in there, all the clothes that I'm bringing, and then I'm going to do a little time lapse of me just packing the suitcase. Okay, so down here I have all my shoes. I'm bringing my Docs, my new Target shoes, some little heels, my fun statement shoes to go with my jumpsuit, and then my Air Force Ones. How could I forget these? I'm literally grabbing them now. My little Birkenstocks beach shoes and my Ugg slippers. Also, I love that we're driving, so it is totally acceptable to be as overpacked as I am about to be. So these are like my nicer pieces that I'm bringing. I have a black jumpsuit. I have this really sweet little pistachio green dress. I have this long blue dress too. I'm excited. This was a TJ Maxx find, and those are my like nicer things. And then here are my accessories. I've got obviously the jewelry pieces I've packed, and then I'm bringing these 3 bandanas. And I think I am just gonna stick with bringing the cream purse. I love the green, but it would only go with like 1 or 2 outfits. So I think I'm gonna bring the cream, and then my rattan purse that I've been using. And then I also have this bag, but it broke, and I think I'm gonna bring it to see if there's a way I can I might cut this strap off and just use it as a little bucket bag. I think that could be cute. Wesley is cutting the strap off. Then I have this little tank that I grabbed today from Zara, and I've got that to pair with these white linen pants from Free People. They've got this little paper bag waist. Y'all will have to stay tuned for the vlog at Seaside at the beach to see. Oh, that's okay. Y'all will have to stay tuned for the vlog at the beach to see how I end up styling everything. But that's one little fit I have. This is something I'll probably wear the gold jewelry with and wear that to dinner one night. Then I have these overalls and this little under tee for just a cute little outfit roaming around. Then I have this little set. I may wear this to dinner. It just kind of depends. You know, we don't really have solid plans for the beach. We do, but we don't. And we're just gonna get down there and see. We have a 6-hour car ride to figure it all out. But we've got these shorts and this beautiful silky blouse from Princess Polly. Then I've got my pajamas. Here's my jewelry. I have this set from Cider, which you guys can use my code thesunnysg_IG to save. But I have this green top and these jeans. I'm also bringing this top as a potential for these jeans so I can make 2 outfits out of it. Then I've got my little beach, oh Luna, thank you for that. I've got my little beach wear. I got this at Free People today and I am absolutely obsessed. It's like an oversized tunic, but it unbuttons to be like a little shacket, and I just imagined this with my jean shorts as a cover up for the beach, and I love it. Then I've got my swimsuits. I've got these 2 from Abercrombie. These are the cutest swimsuits I've ever worn in my life. I've never felt confident in a swimsuit until I wore these. The waist of them is just so beautiful. So I've got both of these new ones. And then I've got this little white swimsuit as well. That came from a boutique in Memphis called Shelby Jewel, and this came from a boutique in Memphis called Indigo. I've got this little set that's also from Cider that I'm bringing it as a potential to wear like kind of as a beachy fit, because this top is kind of like a swim top. And then I've got a couple of workout sets because I love walks on the beach and I love walks around little beachy towns, and so these will be fun to roam around Rosemary. And I have sweatpants for cozy time. I've also got another set that's in the dry. I think I've hung it up to dry, so I just need to remember to grab that before I leave. I've got 2 caps for the beach. I really wish I had a little sun hat, but I may grab one when I'm there. That's like a fun thing to grab when you're at the beach. I have my seaside tee and cozy sweater there. And I think I'm gonna go do like one more sweep through my closet just to make sure I haven't forgotten anything and check and see if my other stuff is dried. And then I'll put you guys on a time lapse as I pack my suitcase. I decided I'm not gonna make a TikTok just because the lighting is like really bad. It's fine on camera, but like on the phone, oof, not good. I'm so glad I went and looked through everything again. I found this dress, or not this dress. I found this orange dress that I also got from Cider, and I was going to take this blue one, but this blue one feels a little more summery, and I'm kind of going for like a cozy, like fall beachy vibe. And so I think I'm gonna swap this one for the orange one. The orange one's also like, you know, it's little spaghetti straps, going to the beach with my husband. So I'm gonna swap this one for that one. And I would bring both normally, but I'm trying to be more intentional about my packing this trip because I have been known for being just like a horrible overpacker. About being less of an overpacker. My suitcase looks like this for 4 days at the beach.
Good thing we're driving.
So I still need to use most of this tonight, so I'm not packing my toiletries yet, but I am headed to dinner. I will probably end up just packing them up tonight or doing a little like time lapse whenever I finish using them, and ending the vlog tomorrow morning right before we head to the beach. I am back. I'm all showered and ready for bed, but I wanted to actually finish my packing before I went to bed because I know that 5:30 is gonna roll around really early. I'm trying to push to moving to going at 6 now because it's like 12:30 in the morning. We went to the Polynesian with a friend to go have drinks and it was so much fun, but now we are exhausted and still have to leave early in the morning, but it's gonna be fine. But I did go ahead and work on my toiletries. I love this little caddy that I got from Vera Bradley. My mom got it for me to take on my honeymoon. But I am the definition of a complicated skincare routine. I literally use so many different products, but I take all of them on all my vacations, and luckily since we are driving, I can take all of them this time too. So I'm packing those in there. And then I grab my stuff from the dryer, put that in the bottom. I put my makeup in this old Glossier little bag, and then I'm gonna grab my hairdryer, my curling iron, put the little toiletry caddy in here too, and zip this up and get it ready to go. Alright, so the only things I have left out now are the things that I'm going to be using in the morning. Got my clothes laid out, the toiletry bag is packed, and so is the suitcase. And then in the living room, my laptop is charging, but I went ahead and packed it in my little like handheld bag with my Bible and my Devo book because I love doing Devos on the beach. And Wesley went ahead and worked on the beach bag, so we've got our cooler in here so we can take yummy drinks and keep them cold on the beach. I've got my beach books down there and my iPad, our goldfish car snacks, our beach game M&Ms, sunscreen, and some veggie straws. But I'm so stinking glad we got this bag. It is such a great size for going down to the water. Now I am going to bed. I will see you guys in about 4.5 hours just to do a final walkthrough of everything, and then we'll be headed off to the beach, and then I will start the new vlog right after that. Friends, we are all packed up. It is 6:02 in the morning and we are headed on to Rosemary. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. And then if we're not already friends on my other socials, I am thesunnysg on Instagram and on TikTok, and I am literally starting the Rosemary vlog right now. I hope you guys have a sunshiny day, and I will see you guys in my next video.